Secrets for the perfect pie. Pies are so beloved, there's even a National Pie Day. But you don't need a holiday to make a pie. Pies are an ideal dessert any time of the year. In some households, they aren't even relegated to an after-meal treat. Fruit pie for breakfast, anyone? Start with a terrific recipe. Check out our Dear's Pie recipes for scrumptious, unique pies. For a flaky pie crust, a pastry cutter works best. Cut the ingredients until the flour and shortening mixture has balls slightly smaller than the size of tiny peas. When adding water to the crust ingredients, make sure it's ice cold. Butter or shortening should also be chilled in the freezer before making the dough. A little lemon juice or vinegar makes the crust more tender. Choose your ingredients carefully. Shortening and lard give a flakier crust, while butter makes the crust more flavorful. Don't work the crust dough too much. Use a food processor to help keep the ingredients colder and mix until the dough just sticks together. Working it any longer will make the crust tougher. Chill the dough before rolling it out, and once more before filling it or baking it. Use the right pan, glass or dull metal work best. To make a pie that slides right out of the pan, whole or in slices, spray the pie pan with a little non-stick vegetable shortening, or grease and flour it. Avoid glazes. Although they look pretty, they are tough and seal in the excess moisture of the filling. To prevent a soggy bottom crust, brush with egg white or melted chocolate and refrigerate for about 15 minutes before filling the crust. To thicken fruit pies without changing their flavor, use potato starch. High-acid fillings, such as cherries, do better with a little quick-cooking tapioca. To improve the flavor of fruit pies, macerate the fruit, boil, and reduce the resulting juices for use in the pie. To avoid over-browning the crust, cover the edges with foil after the first 15 minutes of baking. If a double-layer pie's crust is browning too quickly, cover it with foil in which you've cut a hole or slits that allow steam to escape. If your meringue pie will need to sit around for a bit, try 4 or 5 marshmallows cut into pieces into it, just before spreading.